checking in from Ai4 at the MGM Grand in Vegas. 3 days, 8,000 plus people, 600 plus speakers across hundreds of sessions, 250 plus exhibits, attendees from 85 plus countries. Mornings were keynotes, afternoons were deep dive tracks and panels, evenings turned into receptions and meetups. The exhibit hall ran all day, lots of walking. From my room to the seminars felt like a mile, all indoors, but I still got my workout. Geoffrey Hinton set the tone. He says once AI is much smarter than us, command and control won't hold.
We have to stay in control of these AIs. We've somehow got to be stronger than them.
The risk is real. The timeline could be 5 to 20 years.
Imagine you were in charge of a playgroup of 3-year-olds. It wouldn't be very hard to get control of them. You just promise them free candy for a week.
His push, design a protective instinct into future systems.
When they're more powerful than us and smarter than us, they still care about us. Think about the rest of what's in a being. We need to build maternal instincts into these things so they really care about people.
Fei-Fei Li offered the counterpoint. Don't ask machines to love us. Make them serve us.
I love Jeff. He's been my friend and mentor personally in this field for more than 2-3 decades. It's an honor to be even called godmother of AI. Well, he's the godfather of AI. I disagree with Jeff that we should have a mother AI that's smarter than us, because I think that's the wrong way to frame it. It is our responsibility at every single level to create and use this and govern this technology in the most responsible way. And at no moment, not a single human should be asked or should choose to let go our dignity and agency just because a tool is powerful. And as a mother, as an educator, and as an inventor, I really believe this is the core of what AI is. It should be human-centered.
Humans set the purpose from day one.
We need a human challenger!
The Unitree humanoid boxer sparred with a human on stage at the MGM Grand Garden Arena. Gloves on, quick jabs, big crowd.
One, baby, here we go. Oh, the robot throws a jab! Oh, Glenn's moving quickly. The Unitree robot will not tire. Oh my... Unitree, look at his face. He goes down. Woo!
The booths were hands-on. Health, finance, media, and immersive spatial demos. Receptions delivered. Live DJ. An acrobat holding slow, steady handstands and tough poses. Everyone filming. When panels ended, the networking kept rolling. Walk out of a talk and you've got a small group going in seconds. Easy vibe. No ego. Just curious people who also know how to have fun. Night 2 had private parties everywhere, and the MGM Grand had plenty of spots to host them, all indoors, no Vegas heat. Then the capper, the Hakkasan Afterparty. Lights up, packed dance floor. Zowie Bowie, one of Vegas's highest energy bands, pulled everyone out of their shell. Wall-to-wall 70s and 80s hits. Great venue. Two paths, same goal. Hinton, engineer compassion into what we build. Li, engineer the guardrails so people steer. Which road do you trust? Vegas is the perfect city, huge venues, smooth logistics, endless spots to connect. AI smarts by day, showtime by night. That balance made the summit click. See you at the Venetian next year.